Hey guys, Motorcar Nut here today, and we're going to be resetting the transmission, how it shifts on a VW. This one has the D, it's called DSG, that stands for Direct Shift Gearbox, and it's like a hybrid between an automatic and a manual transmission. When these things are working right, they are great transmissions. But sometimes the shift points get, messed up. Maybe you just bought the car and the previous owner was an aggressive driver or a too slow driver. It may shift too late or too early. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to reset the transmission shift points as if it was a factory car, factory new. Okay. Now this applies to all cars with that type of transmission. This is a CC. But it could be the Tiguan, it could be the Passat, it could be the EOS has them. Whichever car has them. This is an optional transmission on a lot of the cars. So if yours has this one, this is how you do it. First thing you're going to do is find where your parking brake is. Sometimes the parking brake is over here. On this car, it's over here, and you push it in. Okay, before you do anything. Now what you're going to do, put your foot on the gas pedal all the way to the floor, and you're going to feel the little button. Hear that little button? You keep it all the way to the floor pressed in. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take your key, whichever key. You may have a key that a regular key or this type that you just push the whole thing inside, and you put it on until all your lights are on. Okay? Don't start it. So now we have it pushed to the floor. You want to keep it there, I would say about 30 seconds. Between 10 and 30 seconds. Some cars make a little beep. Some don't. It all depends. So just to be sure, keep it down. We're going to do it to 30 seconds. All right. I got the, let's keep it. I'll show you. I got the timer on the video over here. And another note, make sure everything is off. Your heater off, any kind of control, the radio, everything is off. Okay? So now, it's about 30 seconds. You take the key, put it out. Don't take it all the way out, but your foot is still on the gas. All right? Another 30 seconds. So we'll do this another 30 seconds. Now, if after you do this procedure, the car still has something or a jerking problem, it could be something wrong with the transmission. But a lot of times, you'd be surprised how this reset helps. Okay, so we're just about 15. You saw the light go off on the dash. You can use that as a reminder. Okay, so now you take your foot off the gas. Take the key out. All right. You don't have to get out of the car, but you open the door as if you were getting out. Okay. Close the door. Okay. Lock it. Okay. Now, make believe you're getting in the car. Unlock it. Okay. Open the door. Get in the car. Then you hit the brake, press the brake, release the parking brake. Okay, car's got to be on. So start it up, hold the brake, and release it. Okay, and now you give it a test drive, and you should feel like a new car. All right, guys. Motorcar Nut, please subscribe, hit the like button. If you want the procedure, just stop the video in between and you'll get it going. See you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions, leave them below. I answer all my questions, try to help everybody out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you very much for all the feedback and watching.